होपफुली आज इस पैनल में बहुत मजा आने वाला है. हम डिस्कशन करते हैं बट इंट्रो के लिए Anupriya, you wanna start?
I'm Anupriya Kapoor. I will make it very short. I create content on fitness, travel, and lifestyle. Hi, my name is Anandita Chatterjee. I'm known as Travel Checker. I travel a lot, as you know by my name. I have been to 99 countries, and my 3-year-old has been to 31 countries. So I create a lot of content on travel, and I also run an NGO for slum children in Kolkata.
Hi, my name is Jeena Linamdar and my handle goes by the name Talking Travel. That's the company name. I do a lot of solo trips and travel is basically my life. I've traveled to about 25, 26 countries so far and I mainly specialize in off-beach travel. So that's what I do.
Hi, I'm Mahi Sharma. My handle is Mahi Way. I love to travel. I love to especially travel with friends and with company. And with that, I also have a content agency where I create content for a lot of brands. It's kind of a creative agency where we work to create viral content for brands. So, yes. सबने अपना हैंडल दिया. My handle is Anupriya Kapoor.
सारे मेरे लिए इंस्पिरेशन है बिकॉज मैंने कंटेंट कोविड में शौक रही पहले से कर रहे थे और मेरा हैंडल रश्मि चड्डा बहुत आसान हो रहा है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन है बट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है कि व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड ऑल ऑफ अस स्टार्ट ट्रैवलिंग. सो Anupriya,
So for me, I did not travel for most of my life because I got married very early. I had a child very early in life. I was just 26. So I had a lot of responsibilities because of which I did not see the world. But when I got divorced and I became a single mom, and I was like, मैं अपने लिए क्या कर रही हूँ? Is when my friends said, why don't you just come to McLeodganj alone? Do not come with anybody else. Be there for 3-4 days. And I just loved the experience so much that I was like, every few months I need to just go out there to spend time with myself. It started with more of introspection and time on my own than seeing the world. But later it also became about exploring. I think I have traveled in my genes. So I've been traveling since I was a child, and I was so grateful to my parents to have given that to me. Since I was 4, I was always called a live fire, and I would always be up to some adventure. Now, of course, my explorations have taken me around the world. And I was very clear that, all my life, even I was married, I was divorced. And I realized that what you really need to pay most importance important in life is what keeps you happy, and just go ahead and chase that. And trust me, everything else falls in place. So yeah, I think I owe it to that. And yes, when I was very young, I remember in our school, we used to all draw those world maps. So we had to color the Himalayas and the Amazon forest, etc. So that has also inspired me a lot. So yeah, I think I owe it to these two.
So just like Anandita said, travel does run it by genes as well. When I was very little, my parents used to take me out for trips, and these trips necessarily didn't have to be like a very, flashy destination or like very far away somewhere. It would be even close to home. I was born in Oman, in Muscat. So we used to maybe just go to a beach, or we used to go to like a close by place. But every weekend, my parents would make sure that we went out somewhere. And I think they are the ones who instilled this love for travel. I always wanted to then, go out and see new places. And I used to get extremely, extremely happy when I saw a new place and, when I got to explore it since I was a little child. This, of course, grew in me. I wasn't always a travel content creator. When I started out, I've studied journalism, so I was a news reporter. I was a journalist. But eventually, of course, the travel bug, stayed in me long enough for me to be able to make it my career. And now I'm a full-time traveler. Okay. So I think right from when I was a little child is when I wanted to see more of the world. And even now, the urge in me is, to see every part of the world that I can.
For me, I have grown up watching Discovery and TLC shows. And I still remember I think around in 5th or 6th standard, we were having aloo ka paratha, and I asked my dad, I want to do this. Like, I want to be like this Didi who is doing like a safari in Africa. And how do I do that? And the first motivation that I got was from my dad. He's like, brave hona padega. And my mom was like, jo karna hai karo. And since then, I didn't know that travel content creation is a career. So मेरे मन में हमेशा ये था कि इतना पैसा कमाना है कि बस travel करना है, to be very honest. But when I started traveling a little through my job and through managing some events, I met some content creator friends and I saw कि भाई ये लोग तो travel भी कर रहे हैं, इन लोग को stays भी मिल रहे हैं, इनको flights भी मिल रही है, मतलब ये तो सही है यार. So I started learning the process. I started enjoying the process. I started creating content, and now I just really love to travel.
अमेजिंग. सबकी जर्नी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रही है. आई वांट टू शेयर. मैंने भी आई वाज 13 जब मैंने पहला सोलो ट्रिप लिया था और प्लेड स्कूल नेशनल्स इन डिफरेंट गेम्स. और आई रिमेंबर वो भी एक्चुअली कोलैबोरेशन ही था क्योंकि फ्री में ट्रैवल था. तो काफ़ी मज़ेदार रहा. और उसके बाद आई ट्रैवल टू 40+ कंट्रीज. इंडिया पूरा घूम रखा है और तब कंटेंट नहीं बनाते थे, फ़ोन भी नहीं था तब से. तो मुझे अभी फिर से उन जगहों पे दोबारा जाना पड़ रहा है कंटेंट बनाने के लिए. तो आई ऑलरेडी बीन एंड फॉर मी लाइक माई मॉम ऑलवेज बीन अ इंस्पिरेशन. जो उस टाइम पर आज से 25 साल पहले 30 साल पहले विमेन ड्राइव करके अपनी लड़कियों को ट्रिप पे नैनीताल लेके जा रही हैं, चंडीगढ़ लेके जा रही हैं. तो आई थिंक हमारी फैमिली में भी हमें बहुत इंस्पायर करते हैं टू डू दैट. I want to ask
Just a little over there about. So a lot of people think that it's free travel, but actually it's not. Like we all have really worked hard on making reels and that type of content, so that tourism come to us. We create a destination and we make sure that that destination kind of goes viral and is beautiful and reaches out to you. So if you think कि starting में if you're starting to get free travel, it's not that. It's to first work hard and then go towards it.
Yeah,
is what I feel.
yeah, thanks for adding in. भाई एक और चीज़ है, हम इतनी ट्रैवल में डिफरेंट घर से आते हैं, अलग अलग जगहों से आए हैं. आई वांट टू आस्क अबाउट दैट स्टीरियोटाइप ब्रेक. यू वर मैरिड एट यंग एज. आपने लेट करके और बच्चे के साथ मतलब how do you manage traveling?
The stereotype regarding especially single moms is that she should always be कि अपने बच्चे के साथ ही टाइम स्पेंड करो. यू आर irresponsible mother अगर ट्रैवल कर रही हो. So I obviously keep my travels for a very short duration every time. It's like 4 days, 7 days. And I just ignore whatever people have to talk about me. And they talk a lot about me, be it on social media, be it personal life. बहुत ज़्यादा बात होती है. तो घूमती रहती है तो and also when you travel for 10 days, you create content worth 2 or 3 months. तो ऐसा लगेगा हम तो पूरे वक्त ही ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. So and like ये तो कभी नहीं होती. अपने बच्चों को ऐसे बड़े होने दे रही है, ऐसे ही है ये. But we just learn to live with it because you want to. It's at the end of the day, it's your life. And बस कुछ you. That's all. हाँ, लोग तो बोलेंगे उनका काम ही यही है because people who are not happy with their lives, they are going to talk about others' lives. But so I just ignore. I just put my head down, do my work. That's it. So the biggest stereotype I have heard is that pregnant women can't travel and that your life is over after you have a baby. And that is utter nonsense, if I can use that word. It's not that. It's all a matter of perspective. So I had a baby really late. I had my baby when I was 40. And of course, because I got a clearance from my gynec, that's most important. You can do whatever. Like, I totally believe that a happy mom raises a happy child. And if you are not happy, there is no way you can keep your daughter happy. And only if I follow my dreams and prioritize myself over everything else will my daughter grow up to do the same. Like, I don't want her sacrificing her life for others. And thanks to all my travels, the word cannot does not exist in my dictionary anymore. So when I was pregnant, I was 7 months pregnant. I went to 4 countries for 45 days with that 7-month belly. And everything was possible. I mean, of course, I have people applauding me and, thinking that how is she even doing this? But trust me, when you plan everything well and you have the right mindset, anything is possible. Like even with my 3-year-old, the fact that she's been to 31 countries, of course, it's challenging. Of course, I have a lot of people saying, how is she making my travel so much? Iska routine disrupt ho raha hai. She'll not remember. All that doesn't matter because the kind of experiences I am giving my 3-year-old by being to 31 countries is what is going to shape her personality when she grows up. So it doesn't matter whether she remembers. I remember and I'm just as important as my baby. So it's about prioritizing yourself over everything else and going behind your dreams.
Right now, it's super I want to ask Zeenal and Marie, about first let me go with Zinal about solo traveling. Yeah, you are married and still you're doing a lot of trips solo. And most of them. I think your husband is also here. तो वो भी थोड़ा सा फील करता होगा तुम हर जगह छोड़ के चली जाती हो उसे, है ऐसा है?
Yeah, not really. So my husband and I are from very different industries. So he's in the corporate industry in BFSI, to be very specific. Just my छुट्टियाँ नहीं मिलती है इतनी ज़्यादा. But more than even the fact that he doesn't get छुट्टियाँ, so he can't come. There is always an understanding that this is my job, this is my work, and like he doesn't take me to his office every day. I can't take him on my trips every day, right? Because when I'm traveling, I'm not taking chutti. It's not chutti what people might be perceiving कि अरे traveling है. I get a lot of questions, in fact, and I really just laugh at these questions कि अरे हस्बैंड को छोड़ के कैसे जा रही है. It's like as if someone's talking to me about a 3-year-old child कि इसको छोड़ के कैसे जा रही है. I'm like वो मुझे ऑफिस नहीं रोज लेके जाता, वैसे मैं नहीं. It's very difficult for people to understand this is a full-time job and you cannot take your family along on such trips. जब there are leisure trips where we plan कि okay, this is time for us, that's different. But you know, on these it's not going to be possible like that. So
Exactly. I would like to add to that. Like they always say कि अपने बच्चे को क्यों नहीं लेके जा रहा भाई, उसका स्कूल है. He's in 12th standard. He cannot be traveling with me all the time. And also I'm working. I'm creating content from morning to evening. What is he going to be doing there, right?
that's the thing.
Trips that are personal, they don't even make it to social media.
Right. Exactly. No, I mean, that's exactly the thing that I was going to say, that they don't make it to you. Probably don't see what we are doing outside, what you see, what we get you to see, right? What you see is just our work. And I recently even posted a story saying that, you know, my content is for you. My social media is for you to consume, but my family is for me. So you probably don't see that part of it as much, but it's not like we can take them or we don't take them at all.
Also, to add on that is a lot of people think the stereotypical question is शादी के बाद घूमना ऐसे नहीं हो सकता यार, मतलब 20s में क्यों नहीं घूम सकता है. I really don't understand this stereotype because अभी YGHT is on theatre and if you see कहीं से कहीं पे पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So forget these stereotypes and whatever they said, just go with your inner self and whatever you want to do. It's not just about traveling. Just do that regardless of the stereotypes and just live your life.
That's exactly what I want.
And again, to add to that, people will talk. So, you know, while I travel so much with my 3-year-old, I also take a lot of solo trips without her. Like the last year, I went to 4 countries without her because my husband and I also need our time. You need to travel without your baby. So even then, society will say, "Arey, she's just 3-year-old and you're leaving her and going." And when I travel with her, there could be comments saying that she's 3-year-old and you're traveling so much with her. So people are going to talk. You do you and you stay happy. That's what is the biggest takeaway.
तो कहते हैं ना भीड़ से अलग निकलना पड़ता है. तो आपका जो स्टाइल है, जो आप करना चाहते हैं वो कर लीजिए, क्योंकि अगेन वही वाली बात है, बोलते रहेंगे. आज से 30 साल पहले भी यही बोलते थे और अभी भी यही बोलते हैं और शायद आगे भी बोलेंगे. बट आई थिंक लाइक पीपल लाइक यू बिकमिंग अ एग्जाम्पल फॉर द सोसाइटी टू चेंज दैट. और कितनों को ऐसा इंस्पायर करते, तो कितने लोग डीएम्स करते हैं कि आपके ट्रैवल से इंस्पायर हुए और मैंने अपने मॉम या डैड को कन्विंस करा, मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को कन्विंस करा. तो दैट चेंजेस. दिस अनदर क्वेश्चन कि we all are traveling to so many countries and places, meeting new people. Mahi, this is for you. क्या cultural shock मिल रहा है?
So सबसे पहले मैं गई थी बाली और थाईलैंड एंड मुझे जो सबसे बिगेस्ट कल्चर शॉक था was यार यहाँ तो हम फ्रीली घूम सकते हैं, यहाँ तो हम बिकिनी में पहन के चल सकते हैं. We cannot do that in India. That's like the biggest cultural shock for me कि women are safe there, women are free there. And if we talk about, okay, really traveling culturally, I think Japan is the most cultural shock country मेरे लिए जो रही है, because I attended a festival called as Penis Festival, where I think you might know about this. आप जापान से हो तो मतलब it is a crazy festival where people celebrate penises and where people educate their future generation about sex life. And I'm like, this is so good. Like all of this needs to happen in India.
Yes.
हाँ ना, मतलब I agree. I mean, what should we शायद कभी नहीं हो पाएगा इंडिया में, but
कल्चर शॉक था मेरे लिए, काफ़ी बड़ी चीज़ थी। अपना
आई वांट टू ऐड ऑन ट्रैवल से आपको कल्चर शॉक मिलता है, आप कुछ नया जाके देखते हो, बट आप उससे बहुत कुछ सीख भी सकते हो। जैसे जापान का बताया, मैं आई बीन ट्रैवलिंग टू जापान सिंस 98, दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट ट्रिप 1998। सो अब मेरी उम्र मत गैस करना, बाद में बता दूँ। सो दैट टाइम लाइक आई लर्न कि पीपल आर सो डिसिप्लिन, और वहाँ पर कैसे लोग टाइम पर है, मतलब 1 मिनट की भी वैल्यू है। So I have learned that and I put it that in my
the
business.
trains then apologize if
Yeah.
they're even 1 minute late. Sorry, whatever is that language. They apologize, the security apologizes. यहाँ पर तो 10 मिनट लेट हो जाते किसी को कुछ फर्क नहीं हुआ।
Also, it breaks a lot of stereotypes. For me, जैसे कि जब मैं सऊदी गई थी last year, I think it was such a huge, मेरा mind ही बदल गया था about a country where I had so many stereotypes. I was judging so much. And when I reached that country and I went to Alula, it was just, my brain opened up to a completely different new world where you saw, the countries made so much changes and how well the women are actually treated there. You felt so safe in that country. So there's so much to learn from pretty much every single place you travel.
And like you said, there's a lot of learning that we did. I thought only a lot of my, learnings from my travels only, like basic things like being on time. Even if the opposite person is not going to be on time, that doesn't matter, because here we have that mentality, अरे ठीक है ना सभी late होने वाले हैं. But I've seen that in other countries, people respect time, people respect traffic. Traffic rules, pedestrians are given, more priority when crossing and so on. Basic, छोटी चीजें, जो civic mannerism जिसको कहते हैं. These little things are what, you learn from your travels. I to urge people कि आप travel करो, solo करो, जैसे भी करो, पर करो, so that, you learn these things that you cannot learn being within 4 walls.
एक वियतनाम में जब तुम कोई ग्रुप ट्रिप पे कहीं जा रहे हो, they will leave you behind. They will let you know कि इतने बजे तुमको आना है, which is almost 10 minutes before your bus is supposed to leave. If you don't come, you've paid 3,000, you've paid 10,000, 15,000, doesn't matter. They will leave you out.
Yeah.
And more than that, perspective कितना change होता है, outlook कितना change होता है, thought process कितना change होता है हर चीज़ में. And when you learn all of these things, when you apply in your life, it really changes your life.
It's like
Travel is actually like a life learning. I think bottom line is just travel makes you feel a lot more alive. It makes you fearless. It increases your risk-taking appetite. And you just, have this, when if travel ke pehne lagta hai yaar, maybe you underestimate yourself a lot. But when I traveled for the first time with my 6-month-old baby solo to an international destination, I came back and I thought I was super norm. मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. अगर मैंने 6 महीने के बच्चे के साथ solo travel कर लिया 2 हफ्ते के लिए, I can do anything. So it really builds a lot of confidence in you, and that's my travel.
I also feel it helps you tap things about you that even you didn't know, like skills. Like for example, I used to think, and I was told by people that you're so bad with directions, and obviously it also came from trying to ladki hai, direction थोड़ी याद नहीं है. But even apart from the ladki fact, the fact that I also started feeling इतना बोल रही हूँ मैं तो भूल जाती हूँ, मुझे तो अपने घर का रास्ता कभी याद नहीं रहे. That's how bad. But I swear, after traveling solo or, just getting out of my house, I've realized how good I can be with directions. And I can proudly say that मैं बिना Google Maps की बहुत सारी जगहों से return वापस आई हूँ, just to see कि मुझे याद रहता है कि I always come back to the right place, And I think that is what it made me so happy that, I used to think मैं ही dumb हूँ, मुझे रास्ते पे भूल जाती, but that was not the case. When I went alone, I realized कि
इसमें ऐड ऑन कर रहा है कि बहुत सारे ट्रिप में, सो आई एम मैरिड, मेरे हस्बैंड को बाइक चलानी नहीं आती है, तो मैं बाइक चलाती हूँ बिकॉज आई लव राइडिंग अ बाइक. और ऐसी कितनी सारी कंट्रीज में
ड्रोन भी बहुत अच्छा उड़ाती है.
या सो और अभी रिसेंटली ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रोड ट्रिप करी, आई जो 3,500 किलोमीटर्स, और मैंने अपने पति को गाड़ी नहीं दी, तो क्योंकि मुझे अपने पे ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट है, तो इसलिए अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंट रखें और निकल जाएं घूमने. बिकॉज मैं ये सबके लिए नहीं है कि आप ट्रैवल कंटेंट क्रिएटर बन रहे हैं या उसी के लिए ट्रैवल करें, आप अपने लिए ट्रैवल करें, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप दुनिया से भी सीखेंगे और अपने बारे में भी सीखेंगे. एंड इसमें एक और चीज़ ऐड ऑन करिए कि ये माही के लिए, माही रिसेंटली आई सॉ अंकल आंटी को ट्रैवल कराया दुबई. एंड हाउ डिड यू convince them पहले कि तुम्हें ट्रैवल करना है?
So luckily my parents were always supportive, and but जब मैंने उनको पहली बार बोला
they were obviously very concerned किसके साथ कहाँ and all of that. But it is a process, I feel. अगर वो मना भी करते ना, मैं झगड़ती, सच बता रही हूँ, मैं बहुत झगड़ती, मैं बोलती नहीं मुझे जाना है, और नहीं मानते मैं निकल जाती. I would not like really stop back. But they agreed. They were very supportive. Now it's like they're sharing all my reels and everything. So for me, it was a little easier comparatively to other people as well.
I think with parents, the bottom line is they want to know that their kid is happy and safe. So when you're traveling solo, it's about just video calling them every day, sharing your Google Live location maybe with your sibling if your parents are not that savvy with their phone, which my parents are. And just doing these little things which assures them that you are happy and you're safe, whatever you're doing. I mean, that's the key thing that parents need. Not that I agree.
मेरे तो फैमिली को पता ही नहीं होता मैं कहाँ हूँ, including my son. Say, oh, you went to Saudi, nice.
आपके केस में अलग हो रहा है. So अभी कभी like he wants to go out and travel. और वो कहता है कि मुझे एक साल ड्रॉप आउट करना है, एक साल बैक पैक करना है, तो वो
हट जाएगी मेरी.
बट फिर भी क्या आप क्या बताते हो ऐसा पीरे
वो तो मुझे सीखना, मतलब आई हैव टू सी हाउ ही कन्विंसेस मी ना. बट हाँ, आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी सपोर्टिव ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज आई फील कि अगर वो एक साल ब्रेक लेके एक्चुअली ट्रैवल करना चाहता है, आई विल गो ऑल आउट. आई जस्ट से कि अपना बजट मैनेज कर लो, डू अ बजट ट्रैवल. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्पॉन्सर यू और कि उधर वैसा वॉशरूम होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, टैटू नहीं चलेगा. फसल्स जाओ, रहो, जिंदगी दुनिया देखो. It really makes a person very independent.
I think जो आप पूछ रहे हो स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस, जो आई थिंक हमारे पास किसी के पास नहीं है यहाँ पर. बट आई फील जो एक चीज़ मैंने की थी वो था, मैंने वीडियोस दिखाए थे यूट्यूब पे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के कि दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. A lot of times our parents are not aware of the new things which are happening, and उनको educate करना as I feel हमारा फर्ज बनता है. तो मैंने उनको दिखाया था कि okay, girls are traveling, girls are going. मैंने सबसे पहले थी राधिका नंबर. She was in Himachal during COVID and she was teaching how to pack and everything. So it was very, and then I also became friends with some of the theatre friends, and वो लोग आए, मैंने उनसे मिलवाया. I gave them assurance that this is a real thing and it saves.
कुछ फेवरेट आपके पॉडकास्ट या लोग इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ बताना चाहें? कोई क्रिएटर्स जो आप फॉलो कर रहे हो जब आपने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी, या किस टाइप का कंटेंट था, ऐसा कुछ? अगर
one content creator I admire is Rashmi Chadda. I think she knows how to do it all. And मेरे लिए तो इंस्पिरेशन, लाइक आई सेड, वो बचपन से ही जब मैं ज्योग्राफी क्लास में कंट्रीज के बारे में पढ़ती थी, आज मुझे यहाँ सब जाना है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स Discovery Channel, TNC, or Lonely Planet, etc. They've been a big inspiration. And of course, other than that, in terms of books, I would say one of my favorites is this book called Happiness Advantage. I mean, it's amazing in terms of the way it teaches you how positivity fuels achievement. And one thing that I've learned really well from that book is that a quote that goes like this, which says, the mind is a place of its own, and in itself can make a hell of heaven or a heaven of hell. So I think that has been very inspirational, because I have also had very tough time last 2 years when I lost my dad, a lot of grief. So it's not just travel. I think a lot of aspects that you read and learn from other people, other content creators, or even things that you see on a daily basis really makes you what you are today.
So I used to, I read a lot, and if you've read Murakami books, I have a very beautiful image of Japan. मैं जापान अब तक नहीं गई हूँ, but मुझे बहुत मन है जाने का. It's because the way he describes Japan in his books, and I've read about 20-25 of his books. Then I've again not been to Turkey, but after reading Orhan Pamuk, I have this vivid image of how Turkey is going to be. So I think books is my initial, or reading Ruskin Bond as a kid. So it's for me, it started with books.
There is this one series on Netflix. It's called The World's Most Amazing Airbnbs. And I started watching that during COVID time, where these 3 friends are from different careers. They go and explore the best Airbnbs of the world. और उसके first episode में एक Airbnb है बाली का, Firefly. And you are not feeling like मैं next year जब मैं बाली गई, I stayed in the same Airbnb. And that was my inspiration. Genuinely, like the show that I watched. So for her, it's books. For her, it's creators. So it's like you can grab inspiration from anywhere.
Sorry, and you?
For me, it would be, of course, creators now, but it started off with Discovery, National Geographic, Travel XP channel, and I saw how it used to bring the family together. चाहे दिन में सब कुछ अपना अपना कर रहे हो, शाम में डिनर के टाइम पे सब एक साथ आके बैठ जाते थे टीवी के सामने. We would just watch some travel videos play. पता नहीं क्या है, कुछ नहीं, सर्च नहीं करते थे, जो भी आ रहा है वो देख लेते थे. So I used to be like, अरे मुझे भी टीवी पे आना है, I want to host like this. So that would be my inspiration. Now, of course, a lot of travel creators, I watch her, a lot of her content. Ankita's here. I watch a lot of Ankita's content. Radhika's here. Her content as well. Tanya. So a lot of...
We get jealous of their content.
Yes. Yes.
As far as India is concerned, I would really want more content regarding traveling during pregnancy, etc., which is really not there. So that's something I think we should all talk about. Like, when I was telling you as far as breaking stereotypes is concerned, I was really, everybody was shocked that I'm traveling so much when I was pregnant. But, it was epic that I felt my baby's first kick while I was swimming in an underground river in Mexico. So that was epic. I mean, these kind of experiences you would die for. So, yes, break stereotypes and do what you like.
Yeah. So I just, for me, like, फॉलो एवरीवन, मैं इनसे इंस्पिरेशन ले रही थी कि मैंने कहा ना मैं लेट उम्र हूँ एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर. सो अमेजिंग. आपकी बात पे एक चीज़ ऐड करनी है. सो नॉट, आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो आई हैव अ हियरिंग लॉस राइट ईयर से सुनाई नहीं देता. एंड मेरे को अंडर वाटर में डाइव नहीं कर सकती हूँ, और बट मैंने इस बार फिलीपींस में स्नॉर्कलिंग कर ली एंड इट इज़ सो मच फन. क्योंकि तो मतलब ज़्यादा डीप नहीं गई थी, बट ऊपर था, बट बहुत मज़ा आया. और जो अंडर वाटर लाइफ देख के ना, तो और मैं ठीक हूँ, देखो वापस ठीक ठाक आ गई. तो कभी कभार जो डॉक्टर्स बोल रहे हैं, लोग बोल रहे हैं, उससे आगे बढ़ के भी आप कर सकते हो. आपके बारे में जो लोग बोल रहे हैं, आप मोटे हो, पतले हो, चल नहीं सकते, कैसे दिखते हो, आप पैसों के बारे में आ सकता है, दैट थॉट. यू थिंक कि आपको एक मालदीव्स में आके लग्जरी ट्रिप से ही स्टार्ट करना है, आप यहाँ पे वॉक करोगे, ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब Anandita and we met, like, I started with very normal, even if authentic, ज़्यादा ड्रेसअप नहीं होना. आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया से अलग दिखती होगी, बिकॉज वहाँ पर ज़्यादा नॉर्मल दिखा, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है आप कैसे होते हो. सो just travel is what like makes you alive in real life actually.
And that's what travel does. Like you just said that you were breaking your own boundaries about your physical health issues. So when you actually travel, you understand your body so much better. And when you do it, you just come out as like a brave person. Like, okay, confident was like, now I can do it.
Yeah.
So it's very important to try new experiences. And new experiences ज़रूरी नहीं है कि scuba diving हो या bungee jumping हो. It can be as simple as trying a new local dish. It will just enhance your taste buds. And it just teaches you a lot.
It doesn't have to be international destinations. I mean, you'll be shocked at how many places in Bombay, if you live in Bombay, you don't know. Like, there are some places in Mumbai you haven't explored yet. So, when you start, it's not just for having money and going to exotic destinations. If you love travel, it can be at your home country as well.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys for joining.
Thank you. I think we should end with giving a big round of applause for Rashmi for putting all of this together. Hats off to Rashmi.